Hello everyone, so today we're going to be making a book page holder. First, you need to have your sketches ready, your sketch idea, and your engineering sketch. This is the side view, and this is the top view. And next up, you want to go into Fusion, right click here, new component, and name it book page holder. Press OK, and then save it, book page holder. Press save. Once you've done that, go to create sketch, select the vertical plane, and then go to circle, select the center, drag it out to the right, and make it 23, and do another circle, drag it out, and make this one 27. Once you have that, go to line, select the center, and drag to the right, and make it 30, and then do the same for the other side. So center, left, 30. And then you want to go to line again, go to construction here, select construction, select the center, drag it straight down, and make it 17.5. Press enter, drag it out, go to line again, but turn off construction as we want this line to be included in our drawing. So click there, select that point, and then from that point to the other side. As you can see here, this line is dotted, so it won't be included in our overall sketch, as it's only for reference for the distance here. And then once you have that, go to line, draw a line from the center straight up to the top in the middle there, and make it a construction line. And from that point, you want to go to the left and make this one 4.5. And then from that point, you want to go from here straight up to where the outer circle is. And once you have that, turn off construction, select the center point here, go up like that. You want the angle to be 90 plus 45. And then press enter. But before you do that, make sure it's long enough so that it is like this. It means that it's in line with this point. Then press escape, and then go to line again. From this point here, drag it up like that, and make this one 45 degrees as well. You should get something like this. And then go to the scissors over here called trim, trim this part and this part. And you should be left with this. And now press escape, click on finish sketch, and go to extrude, as we're going to be making our sketch into a 3D shape. Select this part, this part, this part, and this part, and make it 5 millimeters. And then you want to change direction to symmetric, and then press OK. After that, open this up, open sketches up, and make sketch number 1 visible. And then go to revolve, select this triangle over here, and then zoom out. Click on the axis here where it says select, and select the blue line right there. You should get something like this. And then you want to change operation to join. Then press OK. Hide sketch, and that's your first part done. Make sure you save your work, and that's it.